Whether you are a beginner coder or a pro looking for a fast and collaborative coding platform, Replit might be on your radar. In this video, we will review Replit in 2025, its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your time. So let's dive in. What is Replit? Replit is an online coding platform that lets you write, run, and share code, all in your browser. It supports over 50 programming languages and is designed to work instantly without needing to install anything. In 2025, it has become even more powerful, especially with its AI tools and collaboration features. Key features. Here are some standout features of Replit in 2025. Number 1, Ghostwriter AI. Replit's AI assistant now offers a smarter autocomplete, real-time code explanations, and bug fixing. It's like having an AI paired programmer. Multiplayer mode. Collaborative live with teammates in the same coding environment. Deployments. Instantly deploy web apps or APIs without leaving Replit. Hosting is now faster and more reliable. Replit bounties. Earn money by solving real-world coding tasks or posting your own. Mobile coding. Their mobile interface is now more polished, allowing coding from your phone or tablet. Templates and community projects. Get started quickly with templates or clone projects from others. Whether you are building a website, bot, or backend, Replit tries to be your all-in-one dev hub. Pros. So what makes Replit awesome in 2025? Number 1, it's beginner friendly. You do not need to set up environments or install packages. Cross-platform. Use it on any device, desktop, Chromebook, or mobile. Great for collaboration. Perfect for teams or teachers and students. Built-in AI tools. Speeds up learning and development. And finally, active community. Tons of shared projects and helpful users. Cons. But it is not perfect. Here are some downsides. Number 1, the performance limits. Free accounts can hit RAM and CPU limits quickly. Pricing. The Pro plan starts at around $20 per month. If you want full AI access, it's extra. Privacy concerns. Like all cloud IDEs, your code lives online, so consider that if working on sensitive projects. Finally, it is not ideal for large projects. Bigger or more complex apps may need a local dev setup. Is it worth it? Replit in 2025 is a fantastic platform for learning, quick prototyping, and collaboration. For beginners, students, or developers who want to code on the go. It's a no-brainer. For pros building large-scale apps, Replit might be best as a side tool rather than your main environment. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.